Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kecia Holden and I'm here to entertain you and get you through your quarantine with some makeup tips and tricks. And today, well, tonight, this evening, we're gonna do some skincare. I'm gonna do my nighttime routine because I wanted to go more in depth on how I remove my makeup the right way. And also because I have a couple new products and I wanted to use that tonight. And I just felt like it. Why not? So let's jump right in. You know what to do. Click like, subscribe, share, comment, give me some thumbs up. That inspires me and it helps me to keep going. So help me keep going. So I start off with my, what is this? Oh yeah, my coconut oil, and it's always organic. It's always cold pressed. It's coconut oil. Use the best stuff. You don't need a lot. A little goes a long way. But I have on primer and powder and paint pots and all that good stuff. So yeah, we got a lot of removal to do. Okay. And in the meantime, oh yes. And also because I wear lashes, taking off the eye makeup, sometimes the latex can stay behind. So I definitely want to like really take my time and be gentle on my eyes. After a long day, it feels so good. So good, so good, so good. Whoa, yeah. Good to sing to yourself too. But I'm gonna use my face cloth. Next, I'm going to use my Restorsea face cleanser. And I gotta let you in on a little secret. This I used the other day because I was cleaning my brushes and I ran out of my Eco 2 shampoo. And the Philosophy facial cleanser just wasn't cutting it. So I used some of that because I'm like, I think I can use that. I think it's gonna work. And it did. I'm not gonna lie, low key, high key, it worked. Even though it would make sense to rub, you don't want to rub because it'll be too harsh on your skin. So next I'm going to use my MediHeal facial sheet mask, and this one it has tea tree in it because it's oil balancing. I do have in the giveaway, I have 2 of these and 2 of the hydrating sheet masks in there, so it doesn't matter what your skin type is, there's something for everybody in there. I love sheet masks. At first I was like, I don't get it, it's a gimmick, but now I kind of can't live without them, so yeah. But anyway, here's your mask. Slide it on really easy. Avoid your eye. So for this one, you want to wait about 15 to 20 minutes. So we're gonna set a timer. You can make a cup of tea, all of that good stuff, for 15 minutes. So when that's over, go ahead and take your mask off. Oh, it feels so good. You can throw that away, but then just massage everything in. And once that's dry and settled into your skin, you're gonna go in with your eye patches. This one is from AZN Labs, and I got this off of, yes, Beauty Tech, I did. And so they look like this. They come with a lovely spatula. I feel so bougie every time I use these. And so 1 gold eye patch goes here. And you want the big side going outward and then the small side coming in. And then do the other side. This is probably the bougiest thing I've ever done for myself. no lie. And then you just let these sit for about 10 to 15 minutes and move on. But anyway, this morning, I need some tea for this because it was just great. Don't judge me. This morning, I had to sing at a funeral, which in and of itself, it was a beautiful service. It was more like a memorial service. And the woman was 84 years old. And she seemed to be like she was the sweetest woman in the world. And I saw a picture of her. She looked like she can bake the heck out of a sweet potato pie. I'm just saying. But anyway, while I'm getting ready for the funeral, I decided, because I have some new products from Revlon that I wanted to try out and I wanted to give you guys a first impression, that I'm gonna sit down and I'm gonna do this whole video. And I got on camera, my brows were done, my eyes were done. All I had to do were the 3 products from Revlon. And I'm sitting here talking up a storm. I'm like, da 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 da. I'm telling you about an experience that I had in Lima. And I'm just talking up a storm. I'm giving y'all all the tea, all the business on these products, what I like, what I don't like. And I heard the Lord in the still small voice say, check your camera. And I wasn't obedient. And child, when I looked at the camera after all of that, not one thing recorded. Did my entire face, didn't record it. So instead of getting a first impressions video, you're gonna just get a regular review. Unfortunately, I already know how everything performs, and what I washed off is what was in the video. So yeah, I need more tea. Don't judge me. I feel y'all judging me. I don't need y'all to judge me. But if I had just been obedient and checked the camera when the Lord told me to check the camera, I would have 2 videos in one day. I would be so productive. And so you can use these under the eyes, or if you have some lines, you can use them here in the forehead. If I can get it to flatten out, yeah. You can use it here in your forehead for the 11s. You can also, try not to put your thumbnail through it like I am doing. You can also put it around your mouth for laugh lines, so it doesn't just have to be under the eye. Once it's been 10 minutes, go ahead and toss those. And again, you want to just kind of, oh my God, it feels so good. It's almost like Botox in a jar. Like, that's how it feels. It gets really nice and tight. It feels so good. And so I'm gonna follow that up with my eye cream. And this one, of course, is from Restorsea. And this is the Revitalizing Eye Cream. And literally, you don't need a lot at all. Like, this is as much as you need. Very little. It goes a long way. And then do a half moon. Just do it around your orbital bone. You can tap it in, you can rub it in, it doesn't matter, but always do like an outward motion. Don't do like a rub like that. Do, you know, be gentle, because this is the most sensitive part of the skin and so delicate. So literally anything you do in this area is gonna show up. So if you're constantly rubbing, it's gonna show up on your face. It's insane, but let's just, you know, save our eyes. And then for my night cream, I'm gonna use my Restorsea Restoring Night Cream. This is also in the giveaway. I'm just saying, enter to win. My skin already looks good, like I don't wanna touch it, but. And do your best to like keep everything going up and out. And just kind of release the day. You made it through another day, and it's, you know, Friday, so you made it to the weekend. And then last, almost, this is my Restorsea 24 karat facial oil. And it's a mix, that's why you have to shake it, because there's a dry oil in here and that's what helps to dry everything down. So it does hydrate the skin, but it also helps to balance the sebum. So this is why I use it. I like to lock in the moisture, especially when I'm going to bed. Or you can do the other way around. You can use the oil first and then your moisturizer. Totally up to you, but I like moisturizer first and then my oil, because I like to look like I walk through the valley of the shadow of Greece when I go to bed. If I don't look like I'm about to be put in a frying pan before I go to bed, I didn't do it. Something's not right. I promise you. All right, this is probably my favorite part, besides the oil, because I'm obsessed with the oil. This is my Laneige Sleeping Lip Mask. This one is in apple lime. They do have other flavors. This is the only one that I'm thankfully not allergic to, because they do have a berry one that I really wanted, but I'm allergic to berries. What is my life? Anyway, and it comes with this little lip applicator, which is the absolute cutest. And then you finish your tea, you say your prayers, you read a good book, you read a couple scriptures, and you go to bed. So that's all I have for you guys tonight. It was fun, and I will see you the next time. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Make sure you get the book. I'm the author of Beauty Basics 101, The Beginner's Guide to Skincare and Makeup. And I'd also love to be your beauty advisor. So go ahead, follow me on Beauty Tap, create your own profile. Once we connect, I'll be able to recommend products for you, like the ones that I used tonight, that will get you on your way to the best skincare of your life. Enjoy your night, beauties. Bye.